So what is Prescue? Well, Prescue is an emergency application designed for emergencies and notify nearby contacts. Well, I can say that it's not just really the typical emergency because I could say that it's the comprehensive type. Well, it is directly talaga sa local government as well as the BFP and PNP.
So yung app mismo is hindi lang siya mobile app kundi bigyan din namin ng service yung yung responders. So may admin console sila na if mag-umpisa sa citizen na if mag-send sila ng rescue ng emergency mag-notify sa rescue ay sa police or sa MDM o ano ba sila tapos may mga information about that rescue, that incident, and they'll review it, and and act upon, and sila din mag-decide kung ano ilang kanang gawin.